Healthy food doesn't have to be boring. We came up with new recipes for a tiny carrot cake, smoothies of any size, and energy bars of different weight classes. Choose your favorite size and enjoy a healthy diet. The era of fast food is over. The girls aren't so fond of junk food anymore. A donut doesn't seem to be as tasty, and French fries don't seem to be as tempting. Carbs have lost their power over the brain. It's time to start a healthy diet. Let's work out. Simple exercises for your hands, legs, and with a fluffy cushion. The era of sports begins. Active workouts outside help you burn calories. The blue-eyed girl is sure that sitting on the substitute's bench is also a nice workout. She's acting like her leg hurts, but her jaw doesn't. She has enough power to eat an energy bar. Daisy got hungry after jogging, but her friend only has a mini bar. We will need cornflakes, rolled oats, almonds, and dried blueberries. Chop all the ingredients. Finally, crumble the cornflakes. Mix everything together. Add a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and some honey. Put the mixture on parchment paper and make a bar. Make a wrapper from clear plastic and paper. Wrap the bar. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Attach a label and cut the ends to make a zigzag. It's highly likely that this energy bar was also burning calories and has lost a lot of weight. But even this tiny bar will fill me up after a workout. Daisy likes the size of this bar. The blue-eyed girl comes up with a great way to stay hydrated. She works out and drinks water from her big bottle at the same time. Attach a printed label to a big bottle of sparkling water. Diet water, 0 calories. Cut off the plastic handle and pour out some water. Make a handle from nylon webbing. Hot glue it to the bottom and to the sides of the bottle. Make a hole in the cap using a hot glue gun and stick a long, thin straw in it. The blue-eyed girl does squats and stretches, and the bottle is always near. It's like a personal trainer. Plus, you can easily use this big bottle for weightlifting and hang it on your shoulder after you're done. It's time to relax outside. 1 bar is not enough for 2 girls to have a snack. Let's turn it into a giant bar. Take 10 ounces of sunflower seeds, 7 ounces of pumpkin seeds, and 14 ounces of rolled oats, and fry them lightly without oil. Mix it. Cover 5 ounces of raisins with hot water. Wait for them to get soft and put them into a blender. Add 3 ounces of peeled almonds and grind it. Mix the 2 mixtures together. Add peanuts. Melt 7 ounces of low-fat butter and add 4 ounces of brown sugar and pour in 7 ounces of honey. Mix it and add it to the dry mixture. Put the mass in a rectangular container and cover with parchment paper. Compact it and let it sit for a night so that the bar gets soaked through and hardens. Put the bar onto cardboard wrapped with foil when it is ready. Cover a big yellow paper piece with foil. Fold it in half and attach a big label. Put the bar inside. Fasten it with double-sided tape. Cut the edges with scrapbooking scissors. This giant bar has clearly gained some muscle weight in the gym. It is so huge that you won't be able to finish it all at once. We need beverages after such a filling snack. It's high time to go get smoothies. But Daisy doesn't even suspect what size smoothie she'll get. The blue-eyed girl thinks that a regular serving is not enough, so she orders a giant smoothie. Cover 4 ounces of rolled oats with hot water. Mix them and let them sit. Cut 2 kiwis. Cut 3 bananas and add them. Put all the ingredients into a blender cup. Pour in 10 ounces of baked milk and mix it until you get an even texture. Add 3 ounces of honey. Keep mixing. Add rolled oats on top and decorate the cup with a slice of kiwi fruit. There is no such thing as too many vitamins. Our giant smoothie will add a few years to our lives. But Daisy's stomach doesn't have any free space left, so the blue-eyed girl gets all the benefits. If Daisy is full, she will like a mini smoothie. I just so happen to have one on hand. Finely chop rolled oats. Cover some of them with hot water. Mash a piece of a banana. Add 1 raspberry to it, and oats, and pour in some milk. Mix it, and pour the smoothie into a suitable plastic cup. Decorate it with a raspberry, and add a mini straw. This teeny smoothie is just what you need. There are drinks of whatever size you want available at our Fresh Bar, both for experienced professionals and beginners. This cookie carton is empty. It's such a pity that we ran out of cookies so quickly. We need to make the package big right now so that it doesn't happen ever again. Cover gluten-free brand cookies with parchment paper and crumble them using a rolling pin. Add cornflakes and chocolate chips and some glazed peanuts. Pour in some honey. Add cocoa powder and mix it thoroughly. Put the main part onto parchment paper, shaping a big bar. Make grains from the remaining part and put them on top, showing 2 ears of wheat. Wrap the big bar with a big yellow paper piece. Fasten it and cut the edges to make a zigzag and attach a Belvita label. It worked! The cookie gained some muscle weight, and now it will last longer. This cookie deserves to be mentioned in the Guinness Book of Records. Daisy decides to become a vegetarian. From now on, all fruits and vegetables are her BFFs, and her soul is at peace. No kind of meat is allowed here. The blue-eyed girl is also interested in the new diet, but she doesn't like the idea of eating carrots at all. Daisy has a plan to win the blue-eyed girl over. She makes a carrot cake. Cut a triangle from a thick slice of carrot. Peel it. Use food coloring to paint lines so that they look like cake layers. Add a few drops of beetroot juice to the vegetarian snack. Mix it and cover the carrot triangle with it like glaze. Decorate it with sprinkles on top. The carrot looks so much like a piece of cake that the blue-eyed girl immediately swallows the entire piece. She likes the taste, and now she is more approving when it comes to vegetables. The blue-eyed girl can't control herself, so she cheats. The smell of a cheeseburger and French fries tempts her to go to the kitchen. She hopes that no one notices her momentary weakness. But Daisy is just getting ready for a workout and comes in to get her protein. No way! I won't let my friend make this mistake. I have a sample of protein just for her. Paint a decorative glass bottle blue and cover the little cap with silver paint. Print a small protein powder label and attach it with double-sided tape. Put some protein powder into the bottle. The blue-eyed girl should take small steps when it comes to a healthy diet, and the best way to do it is to start with a mini protein. She feels stronger after even this tiny portion. Did you like our healthy diet ideas? Then write in the comments which size of smoothie and energy bars you like more. And
do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.